So I am back, and this is going to be an unboxing video for you guys today. This box is from FabFitFun, and this, I have seen a lot of people post their videos, but I have not looked because I wanted to be surprised by the items that were in this box. So let's jump into the video, okay? So opening up the box, I think the packaging first off is super cute. So this is how the box looks on the inside. You'll see like a magazine or something sitting on top. Let me move my water. So this is the FabFitFun Winter 2019 box. So they have, you know, a little magazine in here. It's kind of like a regular magazine. They have recipes and everything in here, so you get that inside of the box. And then there is also a FabFitFun saved this for you, and this is actually a coupon code to get $15 off of your first box. I'm not sure if this is a one-time use, but if not, I will put it for y'all down below, or any discount codes or anything like that. And this is the America's #1 meal kits, and this is by HelloFresh, and this is for 9 free meals. So that's really cool because you can use all of this stuff to your advantage. Okay, so then also in here it says share to win on the sticker, hashtag FabFitFun, and then we have everything wrapped up in tissue paper. So I am going to rip this baby open and see what comes inside. And like I said, I have not watched any videos at all, so I don't know anything that comes in this box. And FabFitFun is a subscription service, but it is not monthly. I believe it is seasonal. Let me double check. That was correct. FabFitFun is a seasonal box, so they do it 4 times a year. And yeah, so I will put all the info down below for you guys to check out FabFitFun and everything like that. But it's not a monthly thing, so it's really, you know, a lot easier for you to get a box every season versus every month. Like, you know, we bougie on a budget over here, okay? This is the first thing that I see in here, and this is a necklace, and it says it's by Adore, and this is a Swarovski necklace, and it says it's available at Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, and AdoreJewelry.com. And it's kind of like a rose gold little circle, and then there is like one little Swarovski in there. And no, actually this is a bracelet. Is this a bracelet or a necklace? Yeah, this is a bracelet. I was like, it looks kind of short. So yeah, this is actually a bracelet, so you can see there. Super cute. And these kind of bracelets are really cute to stack, like, you know, because they're really dainty and small, so they're super cute to layer up together. So then the next thing that I see in here, which is kind of heavy, this says, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. So this is an original coffee scrub, a natural exfoliator for smooth glowing skin. So this is actually a scrub on the inside of here, and I guess you would just take a shower and scrub yourself with this. I'm not a big coffee girl. I don't really care for the scent of coffee, but you know, it's something I could use and just wash off in the shower. It's not like I'm gonna be stuck smelling like coffee. And sorry y'all, I have been sick for the last few days, so my voice is going in and out. So that is the second item in the box. I believe all of these items are full size in here as well. So this is the next thing, and this is by Erno Lazio. Lazio, I'm not sure how to say it. Laszlo. And this is a New York company. This is an exfoliate and detox pore cleansing clay mask. I love me a clay mask. I like to use them all the time, you know, like once a week, not all the time. But yeah, this is a mask. Super cute packaging. And clay masks are usually black, or is that charcoal? I'm thinking of a charcoal mask. I just want to see what color it is. So yeah, it's actually like a pink color. I don't know. Let's see if I can show y'all. So yeah, it's kind of like a light pink, white type of color. So this is a clay mask, not a charcoal mask. I don't know. I was thinking about a charcoal mask. I do like clay masks as well. charcoal masks are a little bit more effective for my skin personally, but I would definitely try this out because I do like to mask at least once or twice a week, so I will try this out. Next item I see is this item here, and this says Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding Eyeshadow Palette. I have not tried anything by Beauty Bakery. I love banana pudding, so this is super cute. I just had some for the holidays. I love my mom's banana pudding bomb.com. So this is by Beauty Bakery. I have been wanting to try some of their stuff, but I just haven't purchased anything. It's definitely giving me like Juvia's Place vibes with the color story and everything like that. And it's very neutral. Totally a palette that I could have used today for this simple look that I did. So really cute. I will definitely be trying this out, and I think it is so cute. All of the names in here are like pudding type of names, so yeah, super cute. So this is the Proof is in the Pudding palette. Really cute. I wasn't really expecting all of these makeup type items. I don't know why I was thinking that FabFitFun had other type of stuff. I'm pretty sure I did a video for them before, but it was a long time ago. Okay, so the next thing is this. It's called the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, and this is by Dry Bar, and this is actually for your hair. I have heard great things about Dry Bar, so I will definitely be testing this out to detangle my hair. So really nice. And this is actually a 5 fluid ounce bottle, so that's, you know, pretty good. I wonder how it smells, but I'm not gonna open it. It's all plastic wrap. Let me drink some water, y'all, because my throat is dying. This is the Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Tan and Body Wash. So this is a daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. So I think that is great. I like that it has Epsom salt and lavender. Y'all know lavender is super calming, so I love that. So this sounds like something good that I can use after the gym, after I'm in pain and I'm ready to go to bed. Okay, so I will definitely test this out. I probably wouldn't use it like as a hand wash. I would probably more so try it as a body wash. So that is that. And then also this is the next thing I see in here, and this is a makeup eraser, and this is erase all makeup with just water. So this is one of those towels. I actually own a couple of these, and I used to use them religiously when I first got them to wash my makeup off, but now I kind of just use them, you know, sometimes still for my makeup, but a lot of times I will use it to kind of dust my brush off with. So it's nice to have a new one, and this is great. You could travel with it or whatever, and you can basically just wet it and you can go on your face and it will make your makeup slide off. I do still like to use a makeup remover first, just because, you know, personal preference, but this is a nice item to have and to use additional to get off any extra residue and stuff like that. So this is the makeup eraser. It's a towel. In here it looks like these are 2 items that go together. So let's see. This is actually a hair conditioner and hair shampoo, are by R plus CO, R and Co, maybe, I don't know. So this is the Perfect Hair Conditioner and the Perfect Hair Shampoo. I think the packaging is super cute. Like, it has like graphics on it. I think it's super cute, and they're not matchy. So I think that is really cool. I'm not sure if these products are all natural or anything like that. Let's just smell them. Oh, it's actually closed up. Don't you hate that whenever you just want to smell something? It smells really nice. I got a little bit to come out, but I didn't want to open it up all the way. So I definitely will test these products out. Can never go wrong with the shampoo and conditioner, as long as they're not drying your hair out. It's something you can always use. And also for my wigs, my bundles, my hair, you know, I can always use some shampoo and conditioner, honey. Okay, so that is everything that came in this winter box. So I think that is really good. You have products for your hair, you have a shampoo and a conditioner, and you also have your detangler. So that pretty much covers your hair. And then on top of that, you also have this product that you could use to wash your hands or take a shower. So I would say this is my shower product. So in the shower, you can use this scrub to exfoliate with once you get out of the shower. You could do a mask on your face, but before you do your mask, you can remove your makeup with your makeup eraser towel. And then you're getting ready to go out, you can use this eyeshadow palette to create a look for yourself and put on your cute little bracelet. So they definitely gave you all the vibes in this box, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This cough is killing me. But yes, I really love the winter box and I love everything that it included. And it's actually items that I will and can use. Versus like some boxes come with stuff that it's just like, yo, I'm never going to use this. But all of these items are things that you can and will use. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like they're essential type of items. Who doesn't want an eyeshadow palette? Something to remove your makeup. Something to wash your hair with and stuff like that. These are just like items that you use anyway. So why not? Okay, so check out the FabFitFun winter box. I will leave a link down below for you guys, as well as any discount codes and anything like that for you guys. So if you have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.